This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. These Chinese automotive OEMs are building CO2 and R290 MAC systems and components for EVs. By Michael Hines. Published July 31st, 2025. Chinese automaker Dongfeng is currently working with the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, on a pilot project for a CO2-based air conditioner for electric vehicles. This project is designed to ensure China is fully equipped to transition from R134 A-based mobile air conditioning MAC systems in cars by July 1st, 2029, the date the country's new regulation banning the use of refrigerants with a GWP of greater than 150 in new cars goes into effect. However, Dongfeng isn't the only Chinese company working on natural refrigerant-based MAC systems for cars. Several local automotive OEMs are developing CO2 and propane MAC systems for EVs, and many of them displayed their products at Auto Shanghai 2025, held April 23rd to 24th, several of which can be seen below. Shanghai Highly. Shanghai Highly, one of the world's largest compressor manufacturers, entered the automotive space in 2020 as part of a joint venture with Italian automotive OEM Marelli. The pair formed Highly Marelli, which is developing R290 thermal management systems and electric compressors for EVs. Shanghai Highly had a poster in Shanghai touting Highly Marelli's R290 MAC developments, and at the 2024 China International Industry Fair, held in September in Shanghai, it shared information on the performance and design of the R290 electric compressor. The compressor can reportedly ensure a stable startup for EVs in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius and has been designed with a dual-circuit oil circuit that improves heating performance in temperatures below -5 degrees Celsius, -23 degrees Fahrenheit. Zhou Yi, the CTO of Shanghai Highly Electric Appliances, will give a presentation on natural refrigerant-based automotive thermal management at Highly during the 2025 Atmo Mac Summit with TU Berlin. The event is being organized by Atmosphere, publisher of naturalrefrigerants.com, and will be held in Berlin September 23rd to 24th. Welling, Medea Welling. Auto Parts showed both CO2 and R290 electric compressors in Shanghai. The company is part of the China-based Medea Group and was founded in 2018. Chen Jintao, general manager of Welling, told Chinese automotive information site Yujia in a May interview that the company's CO2 compressor can increase the range of EVs by 19% at -20 degrees Celsius, and that it has a heating COP of 2 at -25 degrees Celsius, -13 degrees Fahrenheit. This product is currently in preparation for mass production, with plans to launch in the European market this year, he said. In addition, due to booth space limitations, many new thermal management products were not on display, including ultra-compact electric compressors, compressor-integrated heating 2-in-1 modules, and R290 compressor integrated thermal management systems. Megmeet. Megmeet showcased a CO2, integrated thermal module, and an R290 electric compressor at its booth in Shanghai. The company has worked in the automotive industry for more than 20 years and also builds EV fast chargers, electric drivetrain systems, and smart control platforms. Mahle is a Germany-based automotive OEM with an entity in China. In Shanghai, the company displayed an R290 compressor and a thermal management module. Mahle recently announced that it will bring a thermal management module, consisting of an air conditioning compressor, heat exchanger, refrigerant pumps, sensors, and valves, to IAA Mobility 2025 in Munich, which will be held September 9th to 14th. The unit is designed to use R1234YF, but can also use the alternative future refrigerant R290 with minor modifications, as according to the company. This provides automakers with security for the future when integrating the system in current vehicle platforms, as extensive design modifications will not be needed to change the system over to the new refrigerant, said Marco Worth, VP Corporate Research and Advanced Engineering at Mahle, in a statement. CCAG, China Chang'an Automobile Group, CCAG, is a Chinese automaker and one of the country's 4 big car companies, a group that also includes Dongfeng. In Shanghai, CCAG brought an R290 secondary heat pump air conditioning system with a double chiller system that can recycle waste heat from the cabin and battery or from the electric drive.